Hey guys, this is Alex. I'm here in the TST garage with the brand new 2025 Yamaha MT-03 up on the lift. This is a direct replacement of the OEM ones. Very simple installation. So let's go ahead and begin. So for the first step, we're gonna remove the OEM bar end. And for that, I will be using a 5mm hex T-handle. And then this just slides right out. And now with that removed, we're going to put the Womet-Tech bar end. This has a few pieces, as you will see. There's the screw, the plastic cap, the aluminum spacer, and then this anodized aluminum ring. These do come in different colors, but for now we're going to use the black one for this installation. You will notice inside there is a lip on one of the edges. You will want to make sure to install that with the lip on the side that the logos are on. So it'll just go on like this and it just sits on that edge. We're gonna put the cap on and the screw through. Grab our 5mm T-handle and you simply just thread it in until it's hand tight. And then once you get to that point, you just grab onto the bar end and give it about another quarter of a turn to be snug. You will notice that there is a little bit of a gap here that is made on purpose because these are made to be universally fit on a lot of different bikes with different handlebars or clip-ons and grips. So this is totally normal. The installation is now complete on this side, and the next step I'll show you how to do the other side. We're going to repeat the same process on the throttle side. So we will begin by removing the OEM bar end and then proceed with the next step, installing the Womet-Tech bar end in its place using the same 5mm T-handle. Once again, just snug it up by hand and then give it another quarter of a turn. You will notice again, there's a little bit of a gap. Like I said before, that is totally normal. You can check with the throttle. The throttle has normal operation. So now the installation is complete, everything's good to go. So as you can see, we've now added some simple crash protection to this 2025 Yamaha MT-03. If you're interested in this product or any other products that we offer for this model, feel free to check our website at tstindustries.com. Thank you for watching. See you next time.